Hey y'all, so I finally got my hands on the Boss Move palette by Morphe. So this is a holiday look featuring that palette. Let's get into it. So here I took the orange shade in the Boss Move palette and I'm just blending that into my crease. And then I'm taking the brown shade and doing the same, just blending that up, over my crease and over that shade. And then cutting the area in my inner and outer corner for the halo effect. Yeah, I liked the consistency of this palette. It's pretty creamy, blendable, so I like it. It's pigmented. There's so many different looks you can do. So I'm taking the orange and just blending out that harsh line, or any harsh lines in between the brown and orange to, just fluff it out. And I went back in with that brown and just kind of darkened the area that I did before and blending it out now with the light tan shade in the Morphe palette. It'll all be listed in the comment section. But yeah, so I'm just blending out my brow bone area. So here with my LA Girl HD concealer, I am just cutting my halo area, the middle area, and just gently patting that up. Not using so much product because I don't want it to bleed out, but just gently patting it up to my crease area. This is a little trick I use. I'm using the brown shade on a smudger brush and I just kind of define the line. So I'm taking the bronze glitter shade in the Morphe Boss Move palette and I'm just trying to create some dimension for my halo look. Just creating a warm eye. Blending on either edge, patting gently down, and then just smudging it over. And I went in with the flat brown shade, matte shade, and just trying to blend out that harsh line as good as I possibly can. I may have used too much brown eyeshadow previously, but we're gonna make it work. So here's where the magic comes together. I'm just using my BH Cosmetics brush and just blending that out. Cleaning out my lash extensions with a little spoolie. I just sprayed it with some Mario Badescu. Okay, and here it's coming together. Ooh. I'm using my Mario Badescu for priming my face to do my face. And I'm using the Juvias Place I Am Magic Foundation in Kenya. At first I was worried about this consistency. My face shows all of that because I was like, or the color, because I'm like checking my chest, like, does it match? I just kept going with it. Worried about the consistency, so I sprayed it with my setting spray and just used it to help move the product around. It's a medium, it's foundation, so I was still concerned about the color. I felt a little orangey, but it was coming together, so I was like, okay, let's keep going. I had to remember that's the oxidize. So here I'm going in with Fawn, the LA Girl HD concealer, and I'm just highlighting my under eye area, my nose, and my Cupid's bow area, of course. And I'm gonna go in just with a regular sponge that's already dampened, and I'm just pushing that product in and blending it out. So here I'm using the orange shade and I'm just lining my under eye, not my waterline. Here I'm using just a Beauty Supply black liner, and then for my waterline, and then here I'm using that brown shade right up under the orange. And blending that's where, the magic comes together. So I could not set my under eye on camera. I used the J.Cat banana powder. And here I'm using the Black Radiance Deep Dark contour palette. I use that dark shade Rail Light because it's very pigmented, as you can see. Using the banana powder to just cut my contour. I like it sharp. Now that is a Juvia's Place blush, the orange shade in that palette. I was like, whoa, I used too much, but then I'm like, let's keep going with it. And I just, blended it out because it kind of gave a glow. Using the Sculpt in that Black Radiance shade to contour my nose. Because it was, closest, I feel like, to their medium shade or palette in that one. Setting it. It's just another makeup trick to just push that Mario Badescu setting spray into my under eye, because sometimes when I spray it, it doesn't hit right. Okay, and that is the gold highlighting shade in the Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. Yes, honey, I loved it. It gives such a glow to, like, just your skin. I never highlight right there on my forehead. I just was, like, going crazy with it. And, yep, here is my completed face. I was just so amped about all of this coming together. That is the NYX Black Cherry Tart, I believe. Butter gloss. I just used no liner because it's pigmented enough for that. And now I'm using like a Ruby Kisses purple matte lipstick over it to take away some of the shine. Yep, and if you guys want to see some tutorials on like locks and coloring hair, look at me. I can also post those too, but let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.